friends, welcome to another Scrapbook Nerd video. I am making a scrapbook layout. There are a couple disclaimers. Firstly, I totally realize that this filming setup is not great. If you watched my video, I think a couple days ago on my channel, I said that I am going through renovations right now at my house, and so I moved my craft room to my mom's house. She has some spare rooms in her house because it's just her. And so I don't have my proper lighting in there. So I tried to edit it where it didn't look horrible, but I realized that these shadows are really bad, so I apologize for that. But it's a short video, but that's what that's about. And secondly, this week's theme at Scrapbook Nerd is to do a layout that's like Thanksgiving themed or fall themed, that kind of thing. And I'm doing bright rainbows. Look at me go. Kind of failed on that one. But what I am saying it is a layout of something I am thankful for. So even though our theme is maybe to do like traditionally you would think about a Thanksgiving theme layout or a Halloween layout as like browns and oranges and like those types of colors, reds, like colors of leaves. That's what I picture. Colors of leaves to be like what your fall themed layout should be. And you know, this is what I do, but so I'm going a little bit non-traditional, and I am doing a layout about something I'm thankful for, and that is my garden. I am very thankful for my garden. We have a pretty small backyard, but we've basically, other than like the sitting area, we've basically transformed our entire backyard into a vegetable garden, and I love it. It produces lots of food for us, especially during this year. It was kind of cool to just be able to provide our own food for ourselves. Obviously not all of our food, but our fruits and vegetables throughout the summer. So that is something I'm thankful for. So if you don't have the supplies to make like a traditional Thanksgiving-y kind of fall, autumn layout, then do something you're thankful for. I think that counts too. And the other funny thing about this is if you saw my video I posted yesterday, this week I am doing a challenge for Scrapbook Nerd that is to create a rainbow themed layout. So I just thought it was funny that like I'm kind of entering my own challenge, but not really. I'm obviously not entering, but yes, this week was a rainbow themed challenge, and here we are. I am doing a rainbow layout, another rainbow layout. So I thought that was kind of funny. But yeah, so if you can't do a fall themed layout, or you know, some people don't live in areas where like there are seasons, there are fall, or some people don't celebrate Halloween. Some people, we have, you know, maybe Americans are watching this that has Thanksgiving at a different time of year, stuff like that. Then just do something you're thankful for, because I think that's great as well. That's what I would encourage you to do. Anyway, yeah, so I'm not really talking about the layout, so I apologize, but I really, really love this paper. Something else I've mentioned in videos in the past couple weeks is that because they're going through renovations, our stove is in the craft room, which is the stove is in front of the shelving unit that has my white cardstock. So I have not had white cardstock for almost 5 weeks now. Well, I guess 4 weeks. 4.5 weeks-ish. Anyway, doesn't matter. The point is, I'm ready to have my white cardstock back. But I actually really do love how this turned out to have the pattern paper background. That has definitely been a little bit of a challenge for me, and I've really liked that. Oh my goodness, here I am already done the layout. So that is it. I also wanted to mention we have Sweet Story Maggie Holmes products in the shop if you want to get them. So that's all. Have a great day. Bye.